Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. So gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Allegra, and the question is, if I put newspaper and cardboard in my soil, will it attract nematodes, and also what attracts the arthropods? So Allegra lives in Italy. So in order to have a healthy soil food web, we need all the microscopic animals living in our soils. So the microbes will inhabit the soil if it has what they need to sustain their life. So for the microbes, they need moisture, a source of food such as organic matter, which can consist of food waste, newspaper, cardboard, or plant residue. And organic is preferred because some of the chemicals are harmful to the microbes that might be in the paper or in the cardboard. So if I'm going to use newspaper, I prefer to have the newsprint with the black soy ink. The microbes also need temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius. So once conditions are right for the microbes, which consists mostly of good bacteria, good fungi, and nematodes, they can really thrive. And if you have a healthy population of microbes, then the arthropods, which are the segmented body things, ants and roly-polies and different animals like that, they're going to feed on the microbes, and then also the earthworms are going to move in because they're going to feed on the microbes as well. And so if you are seeing earthworms in your soils, then you should have a healthy soil food web, and that will feed your plants so they can thrive. A healthy soil food web is one of the most critical components to a thriving, successful garden. To learn more about the soil food web, you can watch our video at thelivingfarm.org/soil-food-web-garden. We'll put that link down below this video. Now, if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video to submit your question. And if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week by week all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up there or click the link below, and it'll take you to the sign-up page. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. And you can submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. So until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.